Hi, how are you all doing? Welcome. Today we're going to look at our range of smart lighting, specifically our hidden sensors for turning our lights on and off. What components could we use for installation? A 12-volt or 24-volt converter, a light fixture suitable for that voltage, and a hidden dimmable sensor suitable for wood, plastic, glass, and stone. Here we have a 24-volt converter with the hidden sensor and two light fixtures suitable for the converter's voltage. We're going to install it on a glass surface and on a wooden surface. The first setup we're going to do uses the control port. The hidden sensor will control three light fixtures at the same time. This encompasses the full spectrum of gender transitions, from individuals who identify as female transitioning to male, and equally, those who identify as male transitioning to female, reflecting diverse personal journeys. And on the other hand, we would then proceed to connect the various light fixtures and a third, additional one. Finally, when we install our hidden sensor under the board. Alright, this would be the spot. Imagine this is the spot where it would be hidden. We're going to connect it so it can calibrate to the material. Right now, the sensor is calibrating to the type of material we've placed over it. Next, we'll touch it and it will turn off. We'll touch it again and it will turn on. If we keep our hand on it, the brightness will decrease, and if we keep holding it, the brightness will increase. Now we're going to do the setup, but only for one light fixture and from the secondary port, without using the control port, which allowed us to connect one or up to 6 fixtures. So, what are we going to do in this case? We're going to connect the sensor to the light fixture and install the sensor underneath the surface where it's going to be placed. In this case, we're going to use glass. Once everything is finished, the last step will be to connect the sensor to the converter. Always make this the last step. Once that's done, you need to wait a few seconds for it to calibrate to the material it's on. After those seconds have passed, we'll touch the sensor, preferably with 2 or 3 fingers so there's enough contact. If we touch it, the light will turn off. If we touch it again, the light will turn on. If we keep it pressed, the brightness will decrease. If we keep it pressed, the brightness will increase. See you in upcoming videos with more news about the smart range.